here it is, the all-new 2019 Subaru Forester, a lot like it was before, and a lot different. Spy shots clued us into evolutionary exterior on this 5th generation, which Subaru dubs a more rugged style. Taking cues from the Ascent, instead of body sides decorated with a couple of character lines, Subaru designers stressed the sculpture of the entire span. In front, a larger, black gloss finish grille cuts deeper into the bumper from the top. The headlight housings carry over in shape, but now hold LED lamps standard on all trims. Along the sides, punched-out wheel arches frame an angled shoulder that cuts into the C-pillar and wraps around the side glass. Design tweaks and the move to Subaru's global platform bring a 1.2-inch longer wheelbase and 1.4 more inches of rear legroom. Occupants up front sit in new, more comfortable seats and enjoy more space in the center tunnel thanks to an electronic parking brake. In back, wider rear door openings and a steeper C-pillar allow easier ingress. The tailgate opening increases by 5.3 inches in width, onto a square cargo area with a flatter floor and a standard cargo tray. An interior LED illuminates the load bay when the tailgates open, an exterior floodlight shines outside the rear of the crossover. Lower the rear seats and access 76.1 cubic feet of loading room, 1.9 cubic feet more than before. The carmaker says you can put golf bags in the car sideways without needing to tilt them, a marquee, yet commendable, achievement.